Today, we will talk about how to apply liquid fertilizer. Let's have a look at the details. If you're looking for a quick way to feed your plants or lawn, liquid fertilizer is a great way to stimulate healthy growth. Liquid or water-soluble fertilizers seep into the soil or the leaves of your plants, a quick and even balance of nutrients they need. And they're so easy to use no matter what you're growing. Keep watching for the answers to your most common questions, and find out how you can apply liquid fertilizer to help any of your plants thrive. Fertilizing outdoor plants. Run a soil test to see what nutrients your plants need. That way, you get a better idea of what you need to add to your soil so that your plants can thrive. Dilute a liquid fertilizer with water in a watering can. Based on what you found out from your soil test, get a liquid fertilizer that's rich in the nutrients that are missing. Wet the soil around your plants with the fertilizer solution. Slowly pour the fertilizer solution directly onto the soil around the base of your plants to feed and water them at the same time. Apply fertilizer to the leaves with a garden sprayer for a quick boost. Unlike granular varieties, liquid fertilizers can be used as a foliar application, meaning they absorb through the leaves of your plant. Fertilizing indoor plants. Use a balanced NPK liquid fertilizer for your plants. A balanced fertilizer has equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are all helpful nutrients to stimulate plant growth. Check the packaging on the fertilizer to see if the three numbers listing the nutrient amounts are the same, such as 10-10-10 or 15-15-15. Dilute the fertilizer in a watering can. Read the label on the packaging to determine the ratio of fertilizer to water you need. Soak the soil with your fertilizer solution. Pour the fertilizer solution directly onto the soil to water and feed your indoor potted plants at the same time. Spray fertilizer on the leaves if your plants are stressed. If you ever accidentally forget to water or feed your plant, then your plants can use the extra boost from a little liquid fertilizer in the middle of the growing season. Fertilizing your lawn. Perform a soil test to find out what nutrients your lawn is missing. When you see the results, make note of which nutrients your lawn needs, so you can get a liquid fertilizer that contains them. A garden sprayer is the best way to apply liquid fertilizer to your lawn, since you get the most even coverage. Attach the fertilizer bottle to a hose if it has a hose end applicator. Alternatively, spread the fertilizer evenly over your lawn. Start in the corner of your lawn and spray the fertilizer onto your grass in rows back and forth. The fertilizer will absorb through the blades of grass in the soil to help promote healthy growth. When should you apply liquid fertilizer? Wait at least 2-3 weeks after planting to use liquid fertilizer. You could damage the roots if you apply liquid fertilizer at the same time as planting your plants. Apply fertilizers in the morning or evening during the growing season. How often do you apply liquid fertilizer? Apply fertilizer to indoor and outdoor plants once a month. Should you water after applying liquid fertilizer? Water the soil before applying liquid fertilizer, but not after. Liquid fertilizer moves through the soil easier when it's damp, so just wet the soil with a watering can just before you apply it. What can you use to make homemade liquid fertilizer? Try making compost tea with plant scraps and water. Fill a bucket halfway with loose compost, such as chopped weeds, plant scraps, and grass clippings. Then, fill the bucket with water and leave it outside. Stir the compost mixture every day for 2 weeks to keep it aerated. When you want to use some of the compost tea, strain some out of the bucket and apply it to the soil or on the leaves of your plants. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.